Hey guys, this is Rob at Lukat Detail again. You see this right here? This is called Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss Restored Polish. This is not a car wax, okay? Look at this paint job right here. You see that? This is oxidized. Here it's been cleaned, not waxed over. I'm gonna use this to repair the paint. I say repair because nowadays you can mask a paint job until you wash it and it comes off. But when your paint job's tarnished, oxidized, you got all kinds of contaminants on there. You don't want to wax over it, you want to clean it. Now this has got no wax in it. It's a cleaner. When you use this, don't do circles because there's no wax in it. What you're gonna do instead is go back and forth just like this. Remember, this is a cleaner, not a wax. Use this to fix the paint by cleaning it. Polish the same area until it clears up. Now once it clears up, it's not gonna continue because it's not a cutter. This is cleaner, not cutter. So you're able to remove the buildup, the contamination 100%. Very important thing I need to point out, that looks beautiful, okay, but listen to this. There's no wax in this product. This is designed to clean your paint job 100%, including old wax residue from previous applications. So use Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss Restore Polish to repair the paint. Now, once you've cleaned it, the next thing you want to do is you want to seal that paint. You want to put some kind of protection because there's no protection here. It's just 100% restored. We're going to use Easy Wax. Easy Wax is a sealer. It's different from regular waxes because this is designed to condition and seal your paint. You put it on in like a regular wax in circles, work it well into the paint, let it dry, and as soon as it dries up, it's going to turn into a tough, glossy shell. Look at that. It's done. Okay? So if your paint job is oxidized, don't wax it, guys. Clean it. Fix it with Lukat Fix It right here. Now you can get these at lukatdetail.com. Check out our YouTube channel. We're on YouTube now. But check us out, guys. Anyways, join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later.